Okay, basses. This is your training video for the Phantom Train. The first thing that we really need to look at when we look at our piece is to check the time signature, which in this piece is 4/4, okay, and the key signature. Now the key signature is in between your clef sign and the fraction or the time signature. And of course in this piece you're looking and you're not seeing anything, which is a key. No flats and no sharps is the key of C major. Okay? Now, we're going to start and end on an A. So we're really not in the key of C major. We're in the relative minor to C major called A minor. So it's going to have kind of a serious or a mysterious or even a scary sound to it because we're in the key of A minor. Okay, now look at your tempo mark. It says urgently. Okay, quarter note's going to equal 144 to 152, which is going to mean that's going to be fast. Now, in this training video, we're going to be playing just at a normal speed, just so we can work and process the information, and we'll work the speed up and as soon as we practice up to that tempo. Okay? Now, in the very first line there, measure 3, you have to switch back from first position, okay, back to half position, so that you can reach this B flat instead of the B natural. And you're going to stay in half position until the second line in measure 8 where you see the 1, okay, that's where you're going to switch back from the C, which is now instead of being second finger, it's fourth finger in half position. Then you're going to go to D, and while you're playing the D, you're going to go to moving back to first position, and then you're back in first position through the rest of the song. Okay. You also have a number of places where you're going to go up, up with your bow, like measure 9. Okay, and also some places where you're going to have to do some quick retakes, okay, like in measure 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, and 23, all there in a row. You see you have a bunch of double down bows. Okay, so here we go. This is Phantom Train. Here's our tempo. Get yourself set, check your bow grip, make sure your bow grip's good. 1, 2, ready, go. 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, moving back to half position, go. 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3. Switch back up, 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 and you get softer. 13. 14, 15, retake 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 3, 1, rest, 1, rest, 1. Softer here. You got to keep track of your measures. 27, 28, little crescendo there. Back to soft. 34. These are staccato.